red ones. We first have the aorta, and this is the aortic arch. And running behind the heart, which we can't see, is the thoracic aorta. And then separated by the diaphragm, we have the abdominal aorta. And then going back up to the aorta, the first branch we have after the split, it's the brachiocephalic artery, which turns into the right subclavian artery and also the right common carotid artery. And the middle one is the left common carotid, and further up in here it's not really visible. The common carotid splits into the external carotid artery and the internal carotid artery, which goes to the middle of the brain. And this last branch branches off into the left subclavian artery, and if you follow it down, when we get to the shoulder, it's the axillary artery. And then continuing down on the upper arm is the brachial artery. And then we can see it better on this side. The brachial artery turns into the radial artery and the ulnar artery. And then back to the abdominal aorta, branches off to the kidneys, and these are the renal arteries. And then this split right here is the common iliac arteries. And when it turns into these little ones, these are the internal iliac arteries. And if you continue the bigger ones down, these are the external iliac arteries. And going down the thigh is the femoral artery. And when it turns posterior to the back of the knee, we have the popliteal artery, which turns into the posterior tibial artery and the anterior tibial artery, and we can see the anterior tibial artery better on this side. Is that better?